Well guys, it's the military parade today and I was feeling better. You've not seen any videos because I know it's a shocker, but I've not been well again.
We have a great day, guys.
Yeah, you can see how busy it is. It's not normally as busy as this. I mean,
because we miss the Peñafrancia.
yeah, I think we've missed the Fluval, haven't we?
Yeah.
So it's Fiesta on Saturday, so there's a lot of food being made, what have you? Drinking.
Karaoke.
We were going to do a live last night, but the internet wasn't working, so we couldn't do a live, could we?
Yeah, we and us well. We celebrate our kids' birthday.
Yeah.
Simple birthday.
They both had a birthday. We've videoed the birthday party, so you'll probably see that next actually. It's not a long video, you'll be glad to know. I've decided that I'm just going to do short videos now. I'm going to try and keep away from the long videos, edit them down more, because people aren't watching them through anyway. I'm not moaning, I'm just stating fact. It's not helped recently that I went through 3 weeks of feeling great, wasn't I, babe?
Yeah.
Then all of a sudden, not feeling so good anymore. I was weightlifting, I had to stop that. I mean, I'm 61, you know. I'm no spring chicken. Well, you're not a spring chicken, you're nearly 36. That's old. No, it's not. I wish that was 36 again.
It's good at every umbrella.
Why? Cover your face. Yeah. So that's a nice mini skirt you've got on, babe. That's a nice mini skirt. We call them mini skirts in the UK, and your nice long hair down to your legs. So aren't you pleased you didn't cut your hair?
No, I'm just messing now for you. Every time I say something to you.
She didn't understand what I just said. Look, I said, aren't you pleased you didn't cut your hair? Because you weren't messing lang at all, because the first time you fell out with me because I said I didn't want you to. So there's lots different. There's a load of stalls allowed on the streets again until the fiesta's over, I would imagine. I don't know for sure, but normally they will let them on the streets when it's a special time of year. They've got, I don't know why are they budgies? Budgerigars. Let's have a look. Look at all these stalls here. It's different every year. Yeah, little budgies. I don't know what that is. Some kind of sweet stuff, I think.
Lots of people, guys. You can see.
I think I'm getting this guy's thing from Mel, you know. I've got to try and stop it. I can edit it out, but it's a pain. It's just, since I come to the Philippines, I'm calling people guys. Oh, there's loads of stalls. Loads.
In front of you.
What?
Oh, I'm on the side.
No, I want you to be in the front so people can see how beautiful your hair is.
It's my hair.
Yeah, then if you want to turn around and say something, you can turn around and say something. Hey man.
This is a barbecue. If we bring it to you, mommy, I want that.
I've not brought any money deliberately, so I don't have to spend any more. And she says I'm curry pot. You don't think I'm curry pot anymore, do you, babe? What? What? The girl? Oh, yeah. See what Mel's like? She doesn't care. She points these young girls out if they're hot.
Yeah, curry pot.
I'm curry pot. I'm a curry pot. What have I just done for you?
Because you need not.
Huh?
I need to say.
No. No. Well, what we're doing? So it looks like it's a blowout today, guys. There's an armoured vehicle up, the army's here. There's loads of people helping with the military parade this year. Like I say, it's unfortunate I couldn't get to the tourist police to see if I had a pass, but I'm guessing I didn't get one. But again, I don't know. So we're going to go to the tourist police and see if the lieutenant's there and he can help us in any way. Right, that's good. I didn't even switch the camera on. So I've had a bit of good luck. The lieutenant of the tourist police who's in charge, he explained to me that they applied for the passport. Where you applied for the pass, they needed my passport. And of course, like I said, I wasn't very well, so it was a little bit difficult. These look like the older ladies as well, so that's a bit of luck. Oh, they're beautiful. Aren't you? They always are. You know, we have nothing like this in the UK. Nothing. The organisation that goes into this is amazing. Every year they do a fantastic job. The police do a fantastic job. All the people involved obviously do a fantastic job because they're keeping me out, which was the job. It's well organised. Congratulations to the organisers. I bet we've missed the Naga Major X. Yeah, these are the older girls. Great, they've got some great costumes, haven't they? The guys' hats are amazing.
University of Agriculture ROTC 1 unit. Ask 1. Sample.
Well guys, I think we're going to have to wrap it up there. Unfortunately today has been a bit of a a fail. Not as bad as I thought it was going to be. Wow. So, please subscribe, please hit the like button, please share our videos, make sure the notification bell's not going to strike through it, and just lastly again, thank you to the Lieutenant in command of the Tourist Police. I appreciate you letting me in for these few minutes. My camera's not waterproof, guys, when I've got the external light on, so I'm going to have to call it a day, guys. So until the next video, hope you've enjoyed this one, what there was of it, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.
Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down.